What the children taught me, number 1. Children's brains are different to adult brains. Most adults don't realise this when working with children, adolescents and youth. Each unique experience, learnings, culture and environments all work together to grow and develop each unique human being. Each child's brain grows and develops continuously up to around 11 years of age. The oldest brain is sometimes called the lizard brain. This part of the brain controls our instincts. We all know from birth how to fight or run away if we're scared. We can slowly learn passive aggression, and only when those instincts no longer work, we pull through an even older instinct and we freeze over. This part of the brain controls the kinesthetic learner, the doing and action brain, and these children are mostly seen and labelled naughty and are mainly boys. The doing learner can be recognised because they will move all the time, put everything into their mouths, climb, run away or fight when scared, appear to struggle with listening or thinking, and struggle to find words to explain their actions. These children need extra help to develop their visual, feeling and thinking brains. The next brain is the mammal brain. What do you think happens in this brain? Feelings, emotions, memories live in this part of the brain. Most girls are this style of learner. From a very young age, these children get approval labelling. So good, such a nice child. The main reason these visual feeling learners get such labels is because they are using their eyes and feelings to learn from the world around them. Visual feelers can be recognised because they will sit and watch everything, feel everything. They express themselves best through poetry or music or dance or drawing. But they can struggle with reading, spelling, thinking and listening to instructions. These children need extra support to help them develop their doing and thinking listening brains. Next comes the most recent brain, the human brain. What do you think happens in that brain? This is the rational thinking brain, consciousness, imagination, abstract thinking. But most importantly in this is the only part of the brain that has the power of language. Auditory learners' hearing brain. These children also get many labels in our present societies for being the best at school, winning all the main awards at the end of year assemblies. But their visual feeling and doing action brains can stay underdeveloped and cause them problems when no longer in a school system. The 3 brains and the 3 learning styles in most children are fighting with each other, causing confusion, fear, frustration, which leads to disunity of the self. To create a state of unity of self, each human being has to know they have all these different parts and what each part controls before they can even have unity of self. But if we want unity in the outside world, we also have to have unity within. Goodbye for now, and go and hunt out my other videos on what the children taught me, number 2, number 3 and more.